Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 39 from the Directorate of Education, that is for our class 10 subject science. Student, today we discuss about the saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. Firstly, we have to know that hydrocarbons. What is hydrocarbon, student? As it is clear from its name, hydro plus carbon. It means which contain hydrogen and carbon bonded with each other. They are called hydrocarbons. And these hydrocarbons are student of two types, saturated and unsaturated. Let's discuss some differences between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. First difference, student. Hydrocarbons in which all the hydrogen and carbons are bonded together by a single bond. Whenever carbon and hydrogen are bonded with a single bond, student, they are called saturated. And whenever they are bonding together by double and triple bond, they are called unsaturated. Saturated are very less reactive, student, and unsaturated are more reactive. If we talk about their name, saturated are called alkanes. It means sound is ane. And unsaturated, if it is double bonded, student, its sound is seems to be alkene. And if it is triple bond, student, its sound is alkyne. And you have to also remember the formulas of all saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. What is the formula, student? For alkane it is CnH2n plus 2. For alkene it is CnH2n. And for alkyne it is CnH2n minus 2. Okay. What are the examples? For saturated, the sound is ane. So if we have one carbon, students, it is methane. 2 carbon, it is ethane. 3, it is propane. And the sound is unsaturated ene. So ethene, propene. And for triple bond, ethyne, propyne. And the formulas are given with that. What is the electron dot structure? So student, for methane, meth means 1 carbon, eth means 2 carbon, prop means 3 carbon, but means 4 carbon, pent means 5 carbon, hex means 6 carbon, hept means 7 carbon, oct means 8 carbon, nona means 9 carbon, deca means 10 carbon. So student, this is a series up to how many carbons you take for your hydrocarbon. Okay. So you have to put the values of the carbon in the formula in the place of n, and you can form the formula very easily. Okay. Now tell me, for 1 carbon it is meth, 2 carbon eth, 3 carbon prop, 4 carbon but, 5 carbon pent, 6 carbon hex, 7 carbon hept, 8 carbon oct, 9 carbon hept, and 9 carbon nona, 10 carbon deca. Okay. Electron dot structure given to you. Here you can recall a difference among the dot structure. What is the structure difference, student? You can see in saturated there is no removal of hydrogen, but in unsaturated, when double bond occurs, the two hydrogens are removed here, student. Okay. And in triple bond, 4 hydrogens are removed. So you have to notice, while you are drawing the electron dot structure or the formula, you have to remember, if you are drawing the structure of ene means double bonded, you have to remove 2 hydrogen. And if you have to draw the structure of triple bond, you have to remove the 4 hydrogen from the structure. Okay. Now there are 3 structures, student, for carbon compound. First is chain structure, second branch, and third is ring structure. What is the chain structure? This table is given up to you. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane and hexane. You have to draw the ring structure. Chain structures from here. Okay. Now second is our branch structure. Branch structure means formula is same, but carbons are arranged in different position like a branch structure. You can see here, student, 4 carbon, it means butane. We have arranged butane like this, and like this also. So these are the two structures of butane. So such compound, student, which have the same molecular formula but different structure are called isomers. So these are the two isomers of butane. These are isomers. Next one is our ring structure. Some compounds are arranged in the form of ring structure. These are called ring structure, like cyclohexane. Hexane means 6 carbons. So student, these 6 carbons are formed a ring, and this is the ring structure of cyclohexane. And this is the ring structure of benzene. In benzene, student, C6H6. So there is one double bond, one single, one double, one single, one double, one single. Alternatively, single and double bonded between carbon is arranged here. Okay, and each and every carbon has bonded with one hydrogen atom. Clear, students? Next is our functional group. In a hydrocarbon chain, when one or more hydrogen replaced by the halogens. So student, when hydrogen get replaced by the halogens, then the valency is satisfied, and these are called the functional group. Okay, this is the definition of functional group. There are different functional groups, student, given in that table. First is our haloalkane. Halo means chloro, bromo, iodo. Second is alcohol. For alcohol, this is the formula. Third one is our student aldehyde. For aldehyde, formula is CHO. Fourth is ketone, C double bond O. And the last one is carboxylic acid, that is COOH. So these are the formulas given up to you. You can learn from there, student. Okay. Now let's practice some question. Draw the electron dot structure and the bond structure of pentane and propene. So student, for the pentane bond structure is given to you here. You have to draw from here pentane. This is the bond structure of pentane, and for the electron dot structure of pentane, I show you the diagram. Please draw with me. This is the electron dot structure of pentane, student. You can draw from here. You can see here the carbon has the 4 valence electrons. So carbon needed 4 more electrons to complete its octet. So it's formed the covalent bond, and how it share the electron with the others by the bonding, you can draw from here. Okay. Next is our electron dot structure and simple bond structure of propene. So this is the propene structure, student. This is electron bond structure and simple bond structure. You can draw from that. And student, not only of the propene, you can also draw the structure of butene, ethene, methane. Every type of ene and yne structure you have to draw for the practice, so that in exam you have no confusion about the electron dot structure and bond structure of everything. Okay, students. Now let's go back to our worksheet. Now come to the second question, student. What is the second question? Draw the electron dot and bond structure of the ethane. It is given up to you in your difference table. You can draw from here. This is your second question answer. And how many bonds are needed, student, here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So second part is 6 bonds. Okay. Now let's move to our third question, student. What is our third question? Write the molecular formula of cyclopentane and draw its bond structure. Cyclopentane, it means C5H10. And what is its structure, student? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C5 here. And H10, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the structure of your cyclopentane. Okay, I think this is very easy to draw. Fourth question, student, difference between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. So I will provide a difference table to you. You can note from there. Okay. What is the difference table here, student? This is the difference table. How can we differentiate the saturated and unsaturated, student? Saturated hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons with only single covalent bond, whereas unsaturated hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbon with multiple covalent bond. Multiple means they maybe double bonded or triple bonded. Okay, they include alkanes and they include alkene, alkynes and aromatic hydrocarbons. Students, saturated have a very less amount of carbon and high amount of hydrogen, but on the other side, student, the unsaturated have high amount of carbon and less amount of hydrogen. So saturated are less reactive and unsaturated are more reactive. Burning in the air result in a blue and sooty flame. So student, whenever you burn the saturated hydrocarbon, they burn with a non-sooty. It means they can't do pollution. They burn with a clean flame. But in a case of unsaturated hydrocarbon, they result in a yellow and sooty flame. Next, they are obtained from fossilized plant and animal material, and they are obtained from the plants. Okay, students, this is the difference table among saturated and unsaturated. I think it is clear up to you. You have to note, then you can note from there. First, they are single covalent bond and they include alkane, and on other side, unsaturated, they have multiple bonding like double bond, triple bond like alkene, alkyne and aromatic. Third one is they have a less amount of the carbon and high amount of hydrogen. And for unsaturated, student, they have high amount of carbon and less amount of hydrogen. Saturated are less reactive, student, and unsaturated are more reactive. Saturated are burned with a non-sooty flame and unsaturated are burned with a yellow sooty flame. Saturated are obtained from fossilized plant and animal both, and they are obtained by plants only. I think this difference is clear up to you. Now go back to our worksheet, student. The last question of our worksheet is, what are the functional groups and what is the formula of alcohol and aldehyde? So this is your fifth answer, student. Functional group. You can write the definition from here, and for alcohol and aldehyde formula you can write from there. Okay, I think this worksheet is clear up to you. You can now understand the difference among saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. And students, one thing is note to here, you have to draw the table. After completing that worksheet, आप सभी बच्चे टेबल बनाएंगे 1 कार्बन मेथ, 2 कार्बन एथ. इसी तरह से आप फॉर्मूला यूज़ करके इनके सभी के इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे बेटा, और साथ ही साथ इनके बॉन्ड स्ट्रक्चर भी बनाएंगे, ताकि एग्ज़ाम में अगर किसी भी कार्बन कंपाउंड का आपको फॉर्मूला पूछा जाता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर या बॉन्ड स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करने के लिए बोला जाता है, तो आप कंफ्यूज ना हो. तो बेटा आप प्रैक्टिस ज़रूर करेंगे वर्कशीट के बाद सभी फॉर्मूलाज बनाने की और उनके इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर बनाने की. ओके, अगर आपको वर्कशीट समझ आई है बेटा, देन यू शेयर अमंग योर फ्रेंड सर्कल एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल लर्निंग लाइट to get more notification and updates about the science worksheets. Thank you.